Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix screen flickering on your Samsung Galaxy A40. So first, what you guys want to do is adjust the brightness in these settings. So let's unlock our phone and let's go over to the settings. Now, what we want to do here is we want to go to the display, and in the display we can either make our brightness bigger or lower. We can change it just like that. Now make sure that you set it up to you and not everybody else. Next, what you guys want to do is make sure that adaptive brightness is disabled. After that, if there is still some flickering on your screen, what you guys can do is go to the Play Store and search for the Screen Dimmer OLED Saver. And basically this is a screen dimming app. You guys can install it and it should download pretty fast. Now it's installing and all we have to do is just open it. So let it install on our device and then we will proceed with giving it the permissions. Let's click on open, and the first permission we need to grant is to modify the system settings to change the brightness. Now here we need to give the accessibility, and this is in the installed services. Now basically we need to give the accessibility permissions to the screen dimmer whenever we rotate our screen, for an example, or whenever we open up the overlay like our keyboard or anything else. So let's click on allow. Now let's leave. And next, as you guys can see, we can enable the service just like that. It's definitely working and it's totally up to you. You can set it up however you'd like to. Now if you don't want it, then simply just disable it and then change your brightness again. And as a last resort, what you guys can do is go over to the settings, and in the settings scroll down until you see software update. Now here you guys need to click on download and install. It will check for updates automatically. My software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it to keep up with the latest version of your software. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.